Lighter. This is lighter and a napkin. All right. All right, you guys ready?
Throw it. Vampires not
All
gonna.
right, move.
It's not gonna do it right away. Let me see it.
Dude, it's probably fixing to explode.
Did you post that other one on the YouTube?
Back up.
Dude, it's not gonna go as far like it did last time. We gotta do that little voice thing that we did last time. Damn. That hurt.
I'm not getting near it until that thing explodes.
Huh. See, if we had my phone, we could zoom in on it. It'd be like awesome. And you like tap on it, make sure it's clear and stuff.
I can tap on it too.
Oh. That sounded like a freaking shotgun. Oh.